Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers industry-leading 3-year warranty. The Glentek DC Servo Motor Control seen here is a single-axis motor control that can be used in a multi-axis application as commonly found in CNC systems. The Glentek Speed family has a very high performance curve and is being tested by one of our motors. After we repair the unit, extra steps are taken to fully document the repair and ensure its proper operation for our customer. At ERD, we offer the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.